You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. If you're considering making the exciting journey from the U.S. to South Africa, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what you need to know to make your move seamless and enjoyable, and how SDC International Shipping can support you every single step of the way. South Africa is known for its stunning landscapes and vibrant lifestyle. It's a top destination for those who are seeking a new beginning. Whether you're drawn to the breathtaking beaches, majestic mountains, or lively city scenes, moving to South Africa promises an enriching experience. At SDC International Shipping, we're committed to ensuring that your move is as smooth as the beautiful sunsets you're going to enjoy in your new home. South Africa was voted the 5th most beautiful country in the world in 2007, and it's easy to see why. With its delightful weather, you can hike in the morning, enjoy a wine tour in the afternoon, and watch the sunset on the beach by evening. But before you pack your bags, there are a few things you need to consider. Navigating visa requirements can be challenging. For a short stay, a tourist visa may suffice, allowing you to explore South Africa for up to 90 days. If you're planning a longer stay or employment, you're going to need a general work visa. The visa requires a job offer and proof from your employer that no suitable local candidates are available. The application process, handled by your future employer, can take 30 to 90 days. South Africa boasts a high standard of private health care, comparable to the best facilities in Europe and the US. While there is no universal health care, the private system offers exceptional care with shorter wait times. Expats often opt for private health insurance to ensure access to top-tier medical services and a smoother healthcare experience. At SDC International Shipping, we understand that moving internationally can be overwhelming. That's why we offer comprehensive services to make your relocation as stress-free as possible. Our expertise include complete move solutions. We handle everything from household items to vehicles, pianos, and artwork. You can choose from door-to-door, door-to-port, or port-to-door services based on your needs. We have expert packing services. Packing properly is, of course, crucial for a successful move. Our team uses the best materials and techniques to ensure your belongings are well protected during transit. Vehicle shipping. Whether you choose air or sea freight, we provide customized solutions for timely and secure delivery of your vehicle. International transit insurance. You can protect your belongings with our international moving insurance, giving you peace of mind throughout your move. And high-value item care. From artwork to pianos, we handle your valuable possessions with the utmost care, ensuring they arrive safely at your new home. Thanks for joining us today. If you're planning a move to South Africa, let SDC International Shipping be your trusted partner. You can visit our website for more information on our services and get in touch with our team. We're here to make your relocation as seamless and enjoyable as possible.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.